The universe begins not with sound, but with silence, an ancient stillness that existed long before time had a name. Then, from that stillness came light, a flicker that would become the foundation of everything: space, time, stars, and us. NASA's most powerful eyes have looked back to that first moment, chasing the origin of creation through echoes of light billions of years old. What they've found doesn't just tell us how the universe began, it changes what we believe about existence itself. Every telescope humanity builds is a mirror of our curiosity. From the Hubble to the James Webb, we've reached deeper into the cosmos, further into our own past. Each image that returns to us is a fragment of an ancient truth that we are made from the same matter that birthed the galaxies. The further NASA peers into the void, the more the universe begins to resemble us, structured, connected, conscious in its own way. The James Webb Space Telescope revealed something that shook even the most seasoned scientists: galaxies that shouldn't exist, too massive, too evolved, too early. According to our understanding, the universe was too young for complexity then. And yet, there they were, swirling clusters of billions of stars forming only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The laws we believed governed creation began to crack under the weight of new data. NASA's discovery wasn't just about time, it was about our understanding of what's possible. But with every revelation, the universe offers new questions. What came before light? What existed before time? Can something come from nothing? These aren't just scientific puzzles, they're existential ones. Each discovery NASA makes seems to whisper the same paradox. The more we learn, the less we truly know. Look at the sky tonight. Every star you see is a survivor, a burning sphere of energy defying gravity's pull. Yet for every star that lives, countless others have died, scattering their ashes across the cosmos. Those ashes formed worlds. They formed life. They formed you. You are the aftermath of 1,000 dying suns, a being made of stardust, shaped by time and driven by curiosity. That's what makes NASA's search more than science. It's a search for meaning, written across light years. Through telescopes, probes, and radio waves, NASA listens to the universe, and sometimes the universe whispers back. In faint radiation, in cosmic background echoes, in gravitational waves rippling across space, there are stories older than galaxies. When those signals reach Earth, they tell of collisions, births, and endings happening billions of years away, right now. Light takes time to travel, so when NASA looks out, it's looking back. Every image is a time machine, showing us what the universe looked like when it was young. One of the most haunting discoveries is that the cosmos is not still. It's expanding, faster and faster. Dark energy, a mysterious force that fills all of space, pushes galaxies apart with relentless acceleration. No one knows what it is, but it makes up nearly 70% of everything. It's as if the universe is driven by a hidden heartbeat, pulsing beyond our comprehension. And then there's dark matter, invisible, untouchable, yet vital. Without it, Galaxies would tear themselves apart. It's the unseen scaffolding holding the universe together. NASA's instruments can't see it directly, but its gravitational fingerprints are everywhere. It bends light, shapes galaxies, and defines the cosmic web, an interlinked structure of filaments stretching across billions of light years. The universe is not random, it's organized, purposeful, alive in its own rhythm. As NASA continues its exploration, it becomes clear that the cosmos is more than just a place. It's a process, a vast experiment still unfolding. Stars are born, burn, and die. Black holes consume everything near them, warping reality itself. And yet, even in destruction, there's creation. When a star dies in a supernova, its explosion seeds the universe with the elements that form new stars, new planets, and new possibilities. Death and rebirth aren't opposites in space, they're partners in eternity. NASA's search for extraterrestrial life is another echo of this eternal pattern. In the icy oceans of Europa, the methane clouds of Titan, and the dusty plains of Mars, the agency hunts for signs of something familiar, a spark of biology beyond Earth. But maybe life isn't rare. Maybe it's inevitable. The chemistry of existence seems written into the very structure of the universe. Given time, given energy, given chance, life happens. But what if the most profound discovery isn't out there? It's within us. When astronauts see Earth from orbit, something changes in them. They describe it as the overview effect, a sudden realization of unity. No borders, no divisions, just one fragile world suspended in the void. In that moment, they understand what NASA's missions have always been about: connection. Every photograph, every data point, every mission is a thread in a much larger story. The story of us trying to understand ourselves through the cosmos. And now, as NASA prepares to look even further toward the first stars, the first galaxies, and perhaps the first moment of time itself, one truth remains: the more we reach, the more the universe reveals its reflection in us. We are not observers, we are participants. We are part of the same equation that gave birth to everything. So if this journey through space leaves you in awe, take a moment to look up and realize that the same light shining from distant galaxies burns quietly within you. The story of the universe is not finished. It's still being written through NASA's discoveries, through our curiosity, through every question we dare to ask. This is Know Your Sky, where the mysteries of the cosmos meet the wonder of being alive. If the universe inspires you, don't forget to subscribe, because every time NASA looks deeper, we come closer to understanding not just what's out there, but who we really are. Every discovery NASA makes begins with a question, and sometimes that question is so vast it changes everything we think we know. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? What happens to light when time itself stops? And most hauntingly, why is there something instead of nothing? These aren't just scientific curiosities. They're the core of what it means to exist. To search is human. To wonder is divine. That's why NASA's work is more than just technology. It's philosophy written in mathematics. Every satellite, Every probe, every telescope is a question launched into the void, waiting for the cosmos to answer. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most ambitious window into eternity, has already rewritten entire chapters of cosmic history. Its mirrors, polished to perfection, now reflect not only ancient light, but our deepest hopes. It peers through clouds of cosmic dust, unveiling stars being born inside nebulas, glowing wombs of creation that stretch for trillions of miles. NASA's images of these star nurseries are not just beautiful, they're reminders that creation is constant. The same forces that shaped those distant suns are still at work inside us. But Webb also revealed something else. The universe might be older and more complex than we thought. Some galaxies it captured appeared too mature, too organized, existing impossibly close to the beginning of time. For scientists, it's both thrilling and unsettling. It suggests that either our understanding of physics needs rewriting, or that the cosmos holds deeper secrets than our equations can yet grasp. NASA's discoveries constantly challenge our perception of reality. When Einstein described space-time as a fabric that can bend, stretch, and twist, it seemed almost poetic. But NASA proved it true. When two black holes collide, they send ripples through this fabric, gravitational waves that pass through everything, even you. Detected for the first time in 2015, these waves are echoes of cosmic violence, the sound of the universe moving. And then there are the black holes themselves, regions where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape. The Event Horizon Telescope gave us the first real glimpse of one, a glowing ring of plasma surrounding pure darkness. But what lies beyond that darkness? Some physicists believe that within every black hole is the blueprint for another universe, a mirror reality connected through quantum threads. Others suggest black holes may store information, rewriting the laws of entropy and time. NASA's exploration of these mysteries isn't just about what's visible, it's about what's hidden. The universe, it seems, loves balance. For every explosion, a collapse. For every creation, a decay. This rhythm, destruction feeding birth, defines everything from galaxies to cells. It's not chaos, it's order disguised as change. Dark matter continues to puzzle even the brightest minds. It neither emits nor absorbs light, yet its gravitational pull shapes the very architecture of the cosmos. Without it, galaxies wouldn't exist. And dark energy, an invisible pressure driving everything apart, acts as the counterforce, pushing the universe toward its unknowable future. NASA's instruments measure these forces, but understanding them requires imagination. Perhaps the universe itself is alive, evolving like a mind expanding in thought. As the data pours in, a strange truth begins to emerge. Everything in the universe seems interconnected. From the tiniest quantum particle to the largest galactic cluster, all follow patterns, rhythms, and harmonies that mirror one another. It's as if the cosmos is a grand symphony, and we are one of its notes. NASA's ongoing missions, from the Voyager probes now sailing beyond the solar wind to the upcoming interstellar explorers, remind us that we've only just begun.
Voyager 1, traveling farther than any human creation, still sends signals home, a heartbeat from across the dark. That faint radio pulse carries humanity's fingerprints, greetings in dozens of languages, music, images of life on Earth. Somewhere billions of years from now, it may be found by another intelligence, and they'll know that once, on a small blue planet, a species dared to dream beyond its sky. That dream continues with every NASA mission, from the Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon, to plans for Mars colonization, to telescopes that may one day detect life on exoplanets orbiting distant suns. Every project carries a single message: we belong to the stars. We're not visitors in the universe. We are expressions of it. The search for life beyond Earth isn't just about curiosity. It's about reflection. Because if life exists elsewhere, it changes everything. It means the universe doesn't just permit consciousness, it encourages it. Life, perhaps, is the universe's way of knowing itself. And even if we never find it, the search itself is a form of connection, a conversation with infinity. But as NASA looks outward, it also reminds us to look inward. The more we understand the cosmos, the more we see ourselves reflected within it. Our emotions, our struggles, our desires, they mirror the universe's constant push and pull between chaos and harmony. Every heartbeat is a reminder of the same energy that fuels the stars. Every breath carries atoms older than Earth itself. When astronauts gaze at Earth from the silence of space, they describe a moment that changes them forever. From that height, there are no borders, no divisions, just a fragile world wrapped in light and shadow. They see unity, they see home, and when they return, they speak not of technology, but of perspective. That's what Know Your Sky is all about, not just exploring the cosmos, but understanding what it means to be part of it. So as NASA prepares to look even deeper, to the first light of the universe, to the echoes of creation, to the mysteries that defy imagination, we stand on the edge of a new chapter in cosmic understanding. Perhaps one day we'll learn that there is no edge at all, that the universe folds upon itself endlessly, that every ending is just another beginning. If this journey stirs something within you, if you feel the pull of infinity when you look at the stars, remember that feeling is the universe speaking through you. Because we are not separate from it, we are its continuation. Subscribe to Know Your Sky, where science meets wonder, and every question leads to a deeper truth among the stars. Because the more we explore out there, the more we discover who we truly are.